Hello, today we are going to be talking about open arrays with multiplication and division. So I'm going to work out on the board for you a multiplication problem using an open array and a division problem using an open array. So I'm going to walk to the board. So whatever I'm writing down, I need you to write down on your paper as well. All right, so for our multiplication problem, I'm going to write a big M, so I know that this is for multiplication. And I'm going to write my problem, which is 14 times 10. All right, so when using open arrays, we can decompose our factors. So I'm just going to decompose our number 14 because that's kind of an unfriendly number. So I know that 7 and 7 make the number 14. So with that being said, I'm going to draw my open array now. Okay. And I know that I'm going to use 7 and 7 times the number 10. All right, so 10 times 7 is 70, and 10 times 7 again is also 70. Okay, so we can add these two partial products together. 70 plus 70 equals 140. Because I know 0 plus 0 is 0, and 7 plus 7 is 14. All right, so that was using my open array with multiplication. Now I'm going to move on to my division problem. All right, so we're moving on to the division problem. So I'll put my D in the corner, and I'm going to write my division problem on the board, which is 450 divided by 5. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw our open array. And we are going to times it by smaller, by breaking down 450. So first I'm going to use the number 50 and times it by 5. So 50 times 5 is 250. I'm going to mark that, and I'm going to subtract 250 from 450. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2. So now I am going to multiply 20 times 5. 20 times 5 is 100. So I'm going to mark that off. I'm going to subtract that from 200, which leaves us with 100. So I'm going to do that again. So 20 times 5 is 100. And that leaves us with 0. So I know that I can add my top numbers together to get the answer, which is, so 50 plus 20 plus 20, so 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 90. So 90 is our answer for this division problem. And if you wanted to, you could add up what you got inside your open array, and that's going to come out to 450. So you know that you did your subtraction right when breaking down the quotient of 450. So that is all I have for you. Just make sure to put it in your notebook.